What's up, guys? Bruno Aponte here, back with another tutorial. Super excited to be here with you guys. This week we're in Photoshop again. You guys have been requesting cover arts for the past couple weeks, so we're getting around to that today. These are iPhone images, so I think you guys will like it. Let's get right into things. Alright guys, so now that we're in Photoshop, basically the artist sent me over two images, and off the bat, because they were taken in the same place at seemingly different times, I figured why not make it look like they took the image together, like it was with the purpose of making it into a cover art. And so taking it from that idea, it was going to be easy to then stylize and make it look well. So what you see me doing here is just contact shadows after I masked in one of the artists to the image. So the contact shadows were done with a color fill layer. So I used the shadows from the original image as reference. I pretty much just, copied them, made them look all the same. With the shadows pretty much complete, I started to focus on stylizing the image a bit because they already started to look like one picture. So it was about, all right, now let's make this look intentional. Let's add some lighting, some contrast. As usual, that was done on exposure layers. What I want you guys to notice and take into consideration, these are iPhone images, so the quality isn't that great, but nonetheless, with enough finesse, you can make things look good. So on a white color fill layer, I added a brush. It was like a large smoke brush. Then I moved right into doing the headlights. I wanted to make them look like they were on essentially. So I made these two strokes. Then I went into the layer styles. I gave it an inner glow. I gave it an outer glow. I worked around with the different blending modes. I ended up putting it on screen. And then from there, I just moved on to making a bigger beam of light. Essentially, since there was fog there, to make it look like it was, directional light. Then to achieve this blur here, I went into the filters, added a field blur, put 2 points, played around with the blurriness of both points until I felt satisfied. And then ultimately just changing the blending mode and lowering the opacity a little bit so, things could just fit a bit better. With the headlights out the way, I went on to changing that ugly yellow in the background of that light from the store to being a bit more red, because at this point I had already decided that the cover was going to be red. So I knew when I went into gradient maps, I wanted to do something with some sort of red transition. So let me change these lights, make it look good, then move right into doing the color maps. So here I'm stylizing the glasses. Anytime I see frames, I always like to stylize, give it like some sort of gradient. So that's what I was doing here. I gave it a red gradient. Then, I moved on. I did one more color map. I kind of just toned down the red a little bit, made it a bit more like magenta-ish. So color styles out of the way, I went right into doing the title of the song and the name of the artist. The fonts are Interlude and Steel Fish. They worked real well with this cover. I stylized it a bit, gave it a banner in the background once I was done finding this. Kind of make it look a bit racy. I gave it some lines and stuff. I don't know. I thought it looked really good. I was really happy with how it came out. I just added the parental advisory. Then as usual, ended this all off with doing a camera raw filter. And yeah, I was excited with how it came out. Hopefully you guys liked it as well. I think all things said and done, it was a nice, quick, and easy cover art. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Drop a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can see when I upload things just like this. I'm posting content weekly, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.